Alright, so this video it's based on programming cable. I know there's info up on the red on the internet about the cable, and if you want to watch mine and understand a little bit more about this cable, I'll give you some information right here. Based on testing that I did, cable is pretty much straight USB to the connector. The only thing that's there, it's the 6K resistor between the ground and this pin right here, right? There you go. So see a USB port as the way it's set up. It's red, white, green, and black. So this is red, white, green, and black, and the 6K resistor between that pin and the ground. So here in the radio, so this will be red, and this is the pin that's gonna have the ground with that one right there, right? And then the other two will be this one right here, this one will be the Y one, and then you skip one, and the next one will be the green one that's next to the ground. Alright, so there it goes once again. Red, 6K resistor with the ground, that's the green, and that's the white one. Anybody could print a connector. You could even buy a B-dot microphone from Harris, and already has some pins that you could use. And maybe the connector, you can modify the connector so you got the right size and everything. If you want to 3D print it and use the connectors, I don't think they're in the right position. They're a little bit different than the original cable. I know that if you try to buy the cable from Harris or anybody that sells that, it's about $300, and it's just a simple USB cable with that connector. Nowadays, anybody could use or knows how to use a 3D printer, so that was A plus benefit, right? And like I said, those microphones, I see them online on eBay selling for about $20. You use the pin, so you can modify that if possible. I haven't tried it myself. You can use it on the xg-100p and the xl200p. Alright. Software. I got the software from a friend on Europe. Not the Russian guys, but I seen it available there. Like if you got something to trade, some other software that they want or they need, you could trade it for that software. I think is RPM2 or something like that, like the latest that'll work on anything like this. This worked lastly program around 2014, 2016. Good way to get it, like I said, is with the Russians, because if you try to buy it, there's a couple of companies that sell it, but yeah, they want gold for it. Russian guys, you become a member, like I said, and if you got something to trade, you could trade. If not, you pay membership. It's $155, $155 for a membership, and you can download anything you want. The latest Motorola software, Harris, Kenwood, ICOM, everything. Latest software, older software, everything's there. Alright. Thanks for watching.